I love creating feline eye looks, and this is my favorite sparkly version for you. Let me show you how to do it. To get the shaping right, we're going to start with a little bit of tape in the outer corner. To create the wing, you can use any black kajal. I'm just going to start by creating a baby wing along the outer corner and extend that all the way till the tape. Make sure it's not too long because we're going to smudge it and then it's going to get a lot more longer. Keep it a little thick towards the outer corner. Now I'm just going to use a pack smudging brush and we're going to go ahead and swiftly blend that through. And as you can see, the wing does extend. Next up, I'm going to use a peachy brown on a blending brush and we're going to apply this all across the lid. Nothing too fancy with this step, just give it a good wash of color all across the lid as well as the crease and slowly start to blend that into the transition area. Ensure that you're using the same color to blend out the edges of the kajal too. Now we're just going to take off the tape and you will get a nice clean sharp line. Now I'm just going to use a dark brown on a pencil brush and start using that to blend across the edges. This is going to help you to give you a much more smoother blend because a peach will not be able to blend the black eyeshadow as well as using a middle color to blend it with, and using the same peach along the lower lash line to give it a good blend. Now let's add a little sparkle. I'm just going to use a silvery sparkle which is a topper shade. That way there's not much color which is coming through it, rather it just gives you the wet looking finish. So we're just going to very sparingly apply it all across the lid. And I'm just going to take it above the crease too. And now I'm just going to use an eyeliner and create a tiny thin line along the lash line. This would help your eyelashes to look thicker because the definition on this look is needed. You can go ahead and create a feline wing with the eyeliner or a little bit of black eyeshadow on an angle liner brush, and then you can connect that towards your lower lash line. Add in a lot of mascara. You can do around 2 to 3 coats of mascara with this and throw on a pair of falsies, and this is the completed look. It's extremely easy and soft glam. It gives you the right amount of definition and length, and it gives you that extremely sultry look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and try this look out. Stay tuned for more. Until next time, bye bye.